Well, Gary, it looks like a normal day in Oklahoma City. Or maybe Ohio, I'm not sure. There's not a lot of traffic. I'm sure if there was, it'd be moving good if it was four-wheel drive with the chains that studded snow tires. Shouldn't have any problem. Otherwise, if you just got a regular little car, it's probably going to be slick on the slopes at the stoplights and on the on-ramps. Looks like the little car in front's doing just fine though. He's got him a little bit of asphalt there to grab every now and then. And boy, if he got off over in the middle though, or the side, he'd be stuck. Hell, Jerry, I just can't get it up. I can't get the story going today. I'm gonna go ahead and put both hands on the wheels here. Keep you advised. Well, Gary, I'm out here. There's the MacArthur Boulevard Animal Clinic right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's probably one of them big dog catchers. Anyway, just trucking down MacArthur this morning. Roads seem great. You got studded snow tires and chains and a four-wheel drive. They're in perfect condition. Snowmobile would work great out here today. Although with the minus temperatures, I'm sure it'd be probably a little painful. That's beautiful trees. You'd swear it was in Ohio or somewhere. That's something. No, there's a pawn shop. It's Oklahoma. Alright, so back on the road. I'll keep you advised.